Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best cleaning tools on the market, the 4-pack Damp Dusting Sponge Duster. If you're looking for a powerful, reusable tool that helps you clean effectively without harsh chemicals, you're in for a treat. This gray dust cleaning sponge is the ultimate game changer for any home. So, why is the Damp Dusting Sponge Duster considered the best? It all starts with its unique design. This sponge is engineered to make dusting a breeze, reaching all those tricky spots that traditional dusters can't handle. Its bending shape ensures a comfortable grip, while the grooves are specifically crafted to trap dust, debris, and even hair with minimal effort. Whether it's blinds, baseboards, fan blades, or mirrors, this sponge works wonders across various surfaces like wood, glass, plastic, and stone. What sets this duster apart from others is its simplicity. All you need is a quick rinse with water, and you're good to go again. No need for disposable cleaning wipes or harsh cleaning chemicals, just rinse and reuse. It's not only eco-friendly but also cost-effective. Plus, its compact size means you can store it easily in your cleaning supplies without taking up much space. When it comes to versatility, the Damp Dusting Sponge Duster stands tall. It's perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach areas like window tracks, ceiling fans, and even glass surfaces. The pre-moistened sponge catches dust and dirt effectively, leaving your home spotless with minimal effort. And don't worry if the sponge gets a little dirty, simply rinse it out, and it's ready for the next round of cleaning. If you've ever struggled with dusting tools that spread dust around or failed to capture it, this sponge will completely change your approach. Its soft texture and efficient design make cleaning a less time-consuming task, while still delivering high-quality results. For those who value durability and reliability, this sponge set comes in a 4-pack, ensuring you have plenty of cleaning power on hand. It's the perfect solution for regular cleaning and makes a wonderful addition to your household cleaning arsenal. In conclusion, the 4-pack Damp Dusting Sponge Duster is the best damp duster sponge you can get. Its ease of use, effectiveness, and eco-friendly design make it a must-have in every home. Whether you're cleaning delicate surfaces or tackling more stubborn dust, this duster sponge will make your cleaning routine faster and more efficient. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Check it out today, and let your cleaning game reach new heights. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products available.